Take a moment to check out the 2021 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps. Give yourself the driving pleasure you deserve in this athletic CX-5. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.